Hello all, welcome back to Audiology with Khwaja. In today's quick quest with Khwaja, the question is keeping the hearing aid batteries inside the dry kit or dehumidifier is a good practice or not? Let's get into the video. To answer this question, we need to know a basic understanding of what a humidity is. Humidity can be explained as the amount of water vapor in the air. So if I say there is a high humidity, that means there is a lot of water content in it. And if I say low humidity, it means there is a less water vapor in the air. We also need to have a basic understanding of how a hearing aid battery works. Any hearing aid battery, irrespective of the materials used in it, is going to have an anode, a cathode, electrolyte, and the separator. The electrolyte is the fluid component of the battery, and due to the change in the humidity, this electrolyte can be affected. Rayovac, one of the world's leading hearing aid batteries manufacturer, and in their website, I could find two articles that talks about the relationship of the humidity and the battery life. They recommend not to keep the hearing aid batteries inside the dry kit or dehumidifier, and they say that by keeping so, we could dry out the electrolyte in the battery, which could reduce the battery life. In another article from audiologyonline.com, we could see the author mentions that in cases of low humidity, we could see the electrolyte being dried up. The opposite of having a high humidity, it could result in the moisture being absorbed through the hole, and that also will compromise the battery life. What we could do is in high humidity situations where the moisture is high, we could keep the batteries inside the dry kit, which could reduce the moisture intake. But on the opposite of dry climate, we cannot keep the batteries inside. That would further dry out the electrolyte. If you have new information, feel free to drop it in the comment section, which will help us to understand the topic better. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.